I'm Ian Burley of Farsound Aviation. I'm the Operations Director. Farsound supplies parts to the MRO. Everything we provide goes up in the air.
Farsound essentially is a supply chain management business. We supply the components that go to the service centres to repair the engines.
We believe that no problem is a problem and it's a solution. The robot system that we've applied here is a goods to person. So instead of our pickers walking miles and miles around the warehouse every day, the robot brings the parts to the actual pickers at a picking station.
So the goods to person process here is all robotics controlled, whether that's from the put away point when the goods come into the business or from the picking perspective.
The goods to person solution that we ended up with gave us the ability to still have flexibility with our storage, and no matter what product we actually wanted to put into the grid, we had a solution.
It eliminates any of the inefficiencies that you'd see in most warehouses, from the walking to the rack, counting and then bringing it back to the workstation.
Everybody I've shown around this facility is pretty much mesmerised. It is fascinating, but also very, very efficient. Because we're an aerospace company, traceability is critical to us, right back to the raw materials, because ultimately whatever we put to a customer goes onto an engine that goes up into the air.
What we need to be able to do is look at the history of these parts, look at where the movements have gone, where they've come from, what dates, times, who has done that movement. The system that we currently use gives us fantastic flexibility with looking at those reports.
The robotic solution, as I say, has helped us pick more efficiently. It's allowed us to actually consolidate our orders better, and it's provided us the vehicle for future growth.
The addition of this automation provides me so much more time to work with my management team, the fulfillment manager, the compliance manager, to look at that service that we are providing to the customer. Within a normal warehouse, a lot of time can be taken up with this side of things. There is no automation. You're firefighting, troubleshooting. That has been removed completely. We are now looking at how we can excel and provide a fantastic service to our customers.
The project itself was hugely successful. We went live on time, and at the same time did we go live with the project, we also moved the whole business 8 miles up the road.
Working with the implementation team was really smooth. They provided the support where we needed the support. There were changes made at the last minute, new developments. It was a very easy, smooth process.
They were very flexible, even to the point where the building was still being constructed while we were actually deploying the solution.
We're now not looking at problems, we're looking at how we can continuously improve, working with automation and Autrix.
We are looking to expand the number of robots we've got based on our business growth. Success leads to success in our business.